Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can use RAM Plus on Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, we can go to our settings application on our Android phone, and we have to scroll our screen until we find this device care option. Tap on it, and here we can select a memory option, which means our RAM. Okay, and if we want to use RAM Plus, we can scroll down and tap on this RAM Plus option and make sure that you activate this RAM Plus feature on your Android phone. Okay, and here I have four options for my RAM Plus, and my RAM Plus on my Android phone is up to 8 gigabytes, so I can select 8 gigabyte for my RAM Plus, and you can choose the RAM Plus that you want to use for your Android phone. And for me, I'm just going to select this one. And just for your information, guys, that this feature is not available on all Android version. If I'm not mistaken, this feature is only available on Android 12, Android 13, and Android 14. And okay guys, that's how we can use RAM Plus on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.